Esisiak ikanyangon luke somer loko Milan High School kotomno district loko kabere maido. Luda pot ko jaunos kotomo na kangas. Kesda poto pedos ay boykin kotomo na Aingito na katuko na kasinya na unet kotomo na da osomero ke. Esisiak ikanyangon lu kesda boykin os kotomo na Aingito keda pipil. Iche ko dakto sa keje skuju. Ida iche iwune kotomo na kesi. Lumama perotos ay wadik. Arai chuterengot loka yuneb ay jukun ngulude perit ay ngaray ni kesi. Le rapolo somer loka Midland High School John Baptist Eko ngesalim daiber yongot loka yuneb ngeseswama kojokan kanukada ay ngaray ni kesi.
Out of the students who got major injuries, none of them died. Although they have wounds, but they are recovering steadily. All of them except two have returned, have come back to school, and they are now sitting the exams. Students who are not sitting the exams are Alado Helen. Alado broke two of her legs and knocked the head, and his brain stability is not there. I shared with the parents. The parents accepted that she can be deferred for next year's media examination.
Kusodi na mani aina plano kaswam na ke Aingito kotomo na arena ko kabere maido. Now Lin Nabu Kenya. Yes, Alim Dabe.
And now they are special need candidates. They have to be assisted by transcribers to help them see their exams. The school has very many candidates, and here we are trying to sort out that issue of improvising for these special need candidates out of the examination room.
As far as UC is concerned, I'm glad to inform you that we've started very well. All our centers have started, and right now I am at Midland High School, where we have a bigger number of special needs students.
I experienced the leg pain when I was writing the examination. Yes, I felt headache.
So since the accident happened, I revised the book, but it is not normal like the way I was.
We'll just speak and she writes. That is very great. Even though there are some other pains, we are still paining. I'm feeling, but I can mention what I know in my brain. Though I have some parts, complications in my body, but my brain can work, I can speak, I can read, I can understand, and tell the answer.
Kotomo ni Esisiak ikanyangon la potki boy kinos Aingito, ichie kotomo na kes ebe, aja apagel kotomo na aswam Aingito kech, idara kes da angiri ni kopaen. Idwe Iyare bon luda aja akarte doketait erono, kes mama poto pedus ay boy kin Aingito kotomo no somero lokada Midland. Michael Onyinge, TV East, Kukabira Maido District.